Hello everyone, this is Mr. DFX, CEO and founder of Beast Trading Software. I'm recording this video just to give you a weekly update of some of the signals which we've had from our Beast Super Signal indicator. It's been a pretty active week, a lot of volatility in the markets, and we had quite a few really good successful trades, which I'm just going to go through and show you some of them right now. So jumping straight ahead, the first chart we're looking at is the Australian dollar and US dollar. We had quite a few signals during this week, but as you can see, they went straight through down into a nice profit, almost taking out take profit 3. It's a bit of a range going on, but we are quite confident that it will continue down and take out take profit 3. So this was quite a very nice signal. The next chart I want to look at is the euro and Canadian dollar. Here you can see we had the first signal given earlier, which did go into a loss, unfortunately. But if you are using a stop loss, you would have been able to mitigate that. Following on a few candles later, we had two more signals, which went straight through into, and as you can see, took out take profit 3 very, very nicely over there. So this was quite a nice signal. I just want to actually count how many pips we took out on this signal, just out of curiosity. So this was just nearly 100 pips, 99 pips, not a bad trade at all. The next chart we're looking at is the euro and Swiss franc. We had a very nice signal here as well, and as you can see, the market was ranging for quite a period of time. Then we got the signal to sell, and we are currently approaching take profit level 3. So this is still a nice active order. The next signal I want to show you, this was a very good signal from the euro dollar. We first had the first signal, the second signal, and then the third signal went straight into profit, took out take profit 3, and actually just completely smashed it. If you had taken this signal, you can actually see you would probably be over 120 pips already in profit. We did post this signal on our Facebook page, so you can go and have a look there and see that we did post this trade. The next signal is GBP USD. Here you can see we also had a few signals, completely took out the take profit 3. This signal was also posted live on our page, so you can also go back and you can see our previous analysis of this trade. And I think before, when we had actually posted this trade, we were actually only around about this level, and since that time we actually just took out the take profit 3. Next trade I want to show you is the US dollar Swiss franc. This was a very nice trade as well. We caught it very nicely as the market started to turn. We caught this pair and it completely took out the take profit 3. So this was a very nice signal, which can still be in play if you trail your stop. Now, for those of you who prefer swing trading, I've got a couple of pairs to show you on our H4 charts. Here we have the Canadian dollar and Japanese yen. This was a very nice signal taken out to take profit 3, and we do see a continuation to the downside. So this signal is still in play. The next chart is the euro Swiss franc. This is another signal that came out very nicely. Still in play. It did touch take profit 2, have a bit of a retrace, but we do see a continuation downwards. Looking back on this chart, you can see some previous signals that were given that were also profitable. So this was quite a nice, we had quite a nice few recent results on this pair. The next chart is the pound Canadian dollar. Here we had a very nice signal catching the swing, and just completely took out take profit 3. And this trend, I mean, this was a very strong trend, and it just completely went for hundreds of pips. Looking back on the chart, you can see there is a losing signal. I have said this many times in my previous videos that this indicator is not the holy grail. It's not 100% perfect. You can expect to have a few inaccurate signals. But as long as you use a stop loss, you can easily mitigate those false signals, those losing signals, and still maintain your profits. So yeah, there was one false signal. It did lose, but we did capitalize on that on the following signal. The next chart is New Zealand dollar Swiss franc. This is a signal that just came in today. came out this morning. It's still in play. The market is ranging a bit, but we do see the price continuing down into profits in the next week. The next chart is the New Zealand dollar and Japanese yen. This is another signal that came in earlier, and this one as well, again, is just ranging on the entry, but is still in a profit, and we do see this continuing into profit next week. Looking on previous signals, you can see a very nice buy signal which was caught over here. This one was a loss, unfortunately. These signals here were caught quite nicely, went into a good profit. The last chart I want to show you for today is the New Zealand dollar, US dollar. We got this signal after the nice swing turn. It did take profit one. We are hitting a bit of a retrace at the moment, but we do see the continuation going into next week, hopefully. So we are looking forward to that. Looking previous, you can see we caught a very nice move over here on this candle as the market turned, and this signal just went straight to profit, as you can see. So this was a very, very nice profitable trade. All right, guys, that's pretty much what I have to show you for this week, for this weekly update. If you'd like to have more information on the Beast Super Signal Indicator or any of our other products, please check the link in the description. Go visit our website. You can also check out our Facebook page, Beast Trading Software, and please contact us if you have any information and if you'd like to make any purchases. All right, thank you for watching, guys. Have a great weekend. Chat to you later. Cheers.